Hey everybody, John Haynes once again from the ACM-2.300 corporate offices, and we have another brand new product on the desk. It's a little product with big output, and it's one of Audio Control's brand new ACM series amplifiers. This one happens to be the 2-channel amplifier. They also make a mono amp and a 4-channel, which is not shipped yet. Little amplifiers are becoming very popular now for people that are doing systems on Harleys, for example, slip underneath the fairing of the motorcycle, but also for any car that has tight space. You can put 2 or 3 of these under a seat of a car and make a big, huge difference in the sound quality of the car just by amplifying what comes out of the factory radio. So let's go ahead and unbox this piece and see what's in the box. Okay, so not a lot of stuff in the box, but the first thing we pulled out, of course, is the owner's manual. You probably get tired of me saying this, but the first thing you should always do is read the owner's manual. Let's talk about the warranty on this piece before I toss this piece of paper to the side. Audio Control offers a 1-year warranty if you install this unit yourself, but if you have it installed at an authorized dealer, they will extend that to a 5-year warranty. And that is pretty darn good for car audio stuff. The reason for that, quite frankly, is people that are not used to installing amplifiers in cars often do things that damage the product, and the experts like ALnedsautosound, for example, will do your installation correctly, both protect your car and the product. So installed at an authorized dealer, 5 full years. If you just do an install yourself, it's a 1-year warranty, which is pretty common for car audio. So there's your warranty information and your owner's manual. Okay, very small amplifier. Small amplifiers, everybody's coming out with them. Audio Control, with their studio and home audio background, puts out a very, very good sounding product. And this is a 2-channel amp. This is a 2x100 watt at 4 ohm, which is the most common impedance load for most car audio speakers. If you're running 2 ohm speakers, it increases to 150 watts per channel, and you can also bridge these 2 channels into a single 300 watt mono. So it's a pretty versatile amplifier. As you can see, it's very small and very clean in its design. This side here, there's your heatsink on this side here, and here we have all your connection points. So it has connections for 8-gauge power input for the amplifier. It has 2 RCA low line level inputs, but also it has high level inputs. So you can actually wire this directly to the speakers of the car and bypass having to do any kind of a line level converter. And then of course you have your output plugs here. Everything here are really good screw down connectors, so there's no harnesses or anything in the box. This is it. You see it on the desk. So what you have here is the ACM-2.300 2x100 watts at 4 ohms, 2x150 watts at 2 ohm, 1x300 watt bridge. They also make a 300 watt mono amplifier that is a subwoofer amplifier. So this has a high pass filter built in with a 12 dB crossover slope, and pretty basic amplifier. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of tuning capability or anything like that, but this is going to make speakers sound extremely good. When you're building car audio stuff, the 2 things you can do in order is add bass and then add amplification, and lastly replace the speakers. And that's a good way to build a car audio system if you're going to do it in pieces. And these amplifiers are really small, so they can fit under the seat of a car, won't take up any trunk space, and really, really nice piece. So retail on this is $299. The 4-channel amplifier, which is going to be a 4x40, I believe, will be same price, $299 when it comes out. And the mono amp, which is already out, is $249, and that is a 300 watt mono. These are available through all ALnedsautosound locations, and you can find more information on our website, which is al-eds.com. Once again, thank you for watching our video.